Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Binance account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Access the Binance website or app and enter your login credentials to sign into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the Security tab in the menu to find the security options available for your account. Step 3. Select Two-factor authentication. In the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. You will typically have the option to use either SMS or an authenticator app like Google Authenticator. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your chosen 2FA method, you will receive a verification code. Enter this code to confirm the setup. Make sure to save any backup codes provided for future access. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Binance account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure to protect your assets.